Sammy, what's going on here?
So, do you remember how Iron Man summoned his armor?
Uh-huh. And?
Well, I decided to do the same, but this one turned out to be a plain suitcase!
Sammy, why would we have armor at home? Tony Stark first made it and then called on it to help.
Made it! This is it! We have to make some super armor! Right now!
This could be interesting. Actually, this suitcase gave me a terrific idea. Let's go! Hi guys! Sam and I decided that today is the perfect day for another superhero craft.
Yes! We'll make my personal Iron Man armor suitcase from cardboard! Oh, I'm so thrilled! Where do we start, Susie? Or should I say Jarvis?
Am I Jarvis today? Well then, thank you, Mr. Sammy Stark. And to answer your question, we'll start our craft today with the decorative part.
What? But I am the main decor master here! I wasn't prepared to start that early!
That's okay, Sammy. Take another piece of red-colored paper and follow my lead. We're drawing lines to make the armor look tougher. Phew, you definitely need a steady hand for that.
Okay, Susie, I made my piece too. What's next?
Now we need silver-colored paper to make our armor shine. Perfect. Okay, we need to glue it to the base. Great. Now we'll glue one more strip right here. This way. And draw a few more decorative elements with a marker. There we go. Voila!
Sue, I've been reading. Did you know that Jarvis stands for Just a Rather Very Intelligent System?
That's an interesting fact, Sammy. Guys, we're done here.
Check out what I've got! Do we glue this to the cardboard?
Well, we could do that, but we're making armor that can transform into a suitcase, remember?
Guys, did you see that? We spent so much time and effort drawing those pieces, and she just cuts them!
Sammy, wait till you see this. Hop. By the way, guys, be very careful with the scissors.
And now she's cutting it to pieces!
Sammy, get yourself together and bring me the double-sided tape. In the meantime, we'll glue these two pieces together. Alright. Then we'll attach two little magnets. I had them somewhere. Here. Okay. Put it right here. Make sure that you sink them into the pieces well, guys.
Here comes the duct tape! Wow!
Gotcha!
Holy cannoli! What a stressful job I have!
Oh, Sammy. Guys, this is where the tape goes. Carefully. And this is one more piece on the chest of our armor. We made it just like we made the previous ones. Voila! Awesome, right? We hid the tape under the paper-based pieces.
Now I get it! You used the duct tape to make these parts of armor able to fold! Cool!
We'll be doing pretty much the same thing with almost all the pieces of our craft. By the way, thanks to those magnets, our craft will keep its shape. No matter whether it looks like an armor or a suitcase. Be careful with the hot glue, guys. Ask an adult to help you here. Alright. There we go. Now, press a little. Good. Check out how it moves. Pretty awesome, huh?
This is awesome, Sue! I'm dying to see what's next. You too, guys? Then quick, give us a thumbs up. We'll be back in a second.
Remember these pieces of our armor, guys? Check out how they look now. We cut them like this. And now we'll keep turning these into the parts of the suitcase as well. This way. Great.
How's it going so far, Susie?
Whoa! Sammy, have you been working out? You look pretty out of breath. There we go.
Did you mean I look breathtaking? That was tough. I just learned that there's another Iron Man out there.
Really? I don't know anything about that. keep talking.
This is what they call the World Championship in Triathlon, which is held annually in Hawaii.
I see. Now check this out. Each of these pieces has a little magnet, and all the pieces are connected by duct tape. Okay, now we'll need to do the same procedure with all of these pieces, like this. Sammy, tell us more about your preparation for becoming a world-class Ironman.
Gladly! So, the competition itself consists of 3 disciplines: running, biking, and swimming. This is actually the part I'm going to train for right now!
Ooh, sounds tough. Guys, now we can gradually start assembling our armor/suitcase. We need to glue these 2 pieces first.
Swim practice in our bathtub was not my greatest idea!
Oh, really? Why? What happened, Sammy?
The bathtub is too short. I did about 10 laps and my head started spinning.
Sammy. Guys, this is what you should get.
Yeah? Sue, are we going to finish soon?
Actually, you're kinda just about on time. I could really use your help right now. I'm gonna need another piece just like this one. You see? There we go. This is how we'll be able to fold it. Okay, everything looks pretty neat. Now this little piece goes right here. Perfect.
Ahem, ahem. All done, Susie.
You're so quick!
That was too easy for a master like me.
Now I'll show you what the body of our craft will look like. We won't need glue now. And here it comes. It looks kinda like a puzzle, right? Okay, this part was pretty simple. Here comes our t-shirt-like pieces. Let's glue them to the cardboard strip we decorated beforehand.
The best part here, guys, is that you can draw those lines on the colored paper however you'd like. There are no strict rules in creativity. Cool!
What a deep thought, Sammy. I like it.
Hey, Sue! Look how tall I've become! Wow!
Careful, Sammy. But you're right. These are going to be the legs for our armor. Just a tiny bit of hot glue. There we go.
Guys, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you like it so far. Stay tuned. It's gonna be awesome!
I like how it's coming out. Guys, we're finally at the finish line here. Check out these rollers that we made by simply rolling cardboard strips. These are going to be the joints. We'll attach them this way.
An important thing here is that the rollers are wide enough not to fall out from these legs. It looks like you nailed it, Susan!
Thank you, Sammy. By the way, speaking of which, we're gonna use tiny nails like this to make our construction steady. Hop. There we go.
Always be careful working with sharp tools, guys. Do it under adult supervision only. Safety comes first.
Here comes one more nail. And done! This is how our craft should look at this stage. By the way, Sammy, could you bring me…
Looking for something, Susie? Construction Master Sam made these for you.
How did you know? Oh, wow! These looks like the perfect shoulder joints. But this way they're going to look even better.
I got it, Sue! If we were in Tony Stark's universe right now, both of us could be Pepper Potts! Ain't that awesome?
I don't mind that at all. But how did you figure that out?
Well, she's just as brilliant and brave as Tony and I. But she acts more adult, just like you.
Well, I guess there is a point in your words, Sammy.
And also she's very pretty, don't you think?
Oh, Sammy. Okay, guys, we need 2 more cardboard rollers for the hands. Here's where we're going to place them. Just follow my lead and be careful. All right. So one roller goes here, and the other one goes to the opposite side. We're almost done. Good.
Don't forget about Iron Man's legendary helmet mask. Sue, I've already made this for you as a reference.
Oh, really? Let me see. Not bad. But why don't we make it more 3-dimensional? Yeah, now we're talking. To make this armor more realistic, let's insert bright diodes into the eye holes and the chest part.
Guys, you can ask an adult to help you with the wires. You'll need to connect them to the battery in order to make our diodes work. The soldering iron is not a toy, you know.
And we're done here. By the way, guys, we've put a magnet inside the headboard. We'll need it to hold a suitcase handle. It also has a magnet inside. Check it out.
Come on, Sue. Here's the last piece. Put it in its place, quick. Soon our craft will be completed.
Sammy, I can see that you're very excited to see this armor. There it goes. Carefully. Great.
So guys, are you ready to see something breathtaking? Then follow me!
Well, Sammy, are you happy with the suitcase?
Are you kidding, Sue? It's awesome! Guys, I hope you like this craft as much as I do! Isn't it epic? Give us a thumbs up if you agree!
Guys, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and stay tuned for the upcoming videos. Bye-bye!
I have